How hard can it be to find a red-headed woodpecker with hands?
Well, I feel like I know the answer to this one. Hey, give me a hint.
Oh, no. No, no, no. That's it. Nobody poops on my truck and gets away with it.
One time. That happened one time, and you've never let me forget it.
Hey, I know that song. That's my ringtone. Well, what do you know? Peanut Butter Boy.
That was awesome!
Heck yeah, we killed it!
Hey, kid.
Hey, Woody!
I was just flapping by and heard someone laying down a fresh beat.
Whoa! What kind of bird is that?
Some kind of woodpecker. He lives up by my place. Before I met you guys, he was pretty much my only friend out here.
Friend? Nope, never had one of those before.
The festival's at the end of the month. We've still got a lot of practicing to do.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody's heard about the bird.
Yeah, this here is my jam. Oh yeah, that's right. I peck by ear. Never had a lesson. Oh!
Whoa! That bird's got mad skills.
Don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird.
Another bill? Where did this come from? What? Hold this thing! To the river!
On? Okay, I can do that. Yeah. Just like in the cartoons. I'm
Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird's a word. Well, a bird, the bird's a bird. Well, a bird.
Oh, yeah, that was awesome! Woody, that was sick!
Oh yeah, the bird is the word. You know this song is about me, right? It's quiet. Too quiet. I can fix that. Anyone else smell gas? And it's not me this time.
Nothing works around here.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Oh, jeez.
Kids, don't try this at home. I'm a professional cartoon character. Ooh, definitely swipe left.
Oh, boy.
Baby, please, can we talk about this a minute? You know what? You were right. I should have listened to you in the first place. We'll go to a hotel.
I'm going to a hotel. The Fairmont Olympic in Seattle. 5 stars, all the amenities. Sweet for one.
I will get rid of that woodpecker. I promise you.
It's too late, Lance. You're not the man I thought you were. I fell in love with a cold, heartless courtroom killer. Not a man who loses to a flying squirrel.
If you ever move back to Seattle, we can do lunch. Bye.
I think I just did that guy a huge favor. You're welcome!